Hello everyone, my name is Yoji. I'm from Osaka, Japan. Today I've got something special to share with you. The annual lucky bag Pika Pika box 2024 from the Pokemon Center. Yay! I'm gonna be unboxing it to show you what's inside. Every year, these lucky bags become very popular. So you have to apply through a lottery on the official website. The popularity is so high that the chances of winning are quite low. Anyway, let's open it up. Oh, quickly. Yeah. Ooh, so cute. Wow. It's... That's cute. Ooh. スプリガティータ。Oh, cute. Oh, trainer. What's this? 水鉄砲、波イルカ。And hand towel, face towel. Oh, two towels. Oh, 月光が。That's cool. Oh, clear file. Two clear files. Wow. Pens, keychain, and trainer charm. What's this? Shushu. Hairband. And note. Memo pad. Acrylic board. Wow. すごい。Really? Wow. Ooh, Pikachu. This is... Wow. I can't believe this. Lots of items this year. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.